5 seconds. Virendra Singh 2015 to 23 14 39 CWP number 12061 of 2012. I attest to the accuracy and integrity of this document. Punjab and Haryana High Court at Chandigarh. It was further submitted that at the time when the petitioner had passed his diploma in education from the board, no education was being imparted by the board with the nomenclature as DAD Urdu. While referring to the certificate of DED of the petitioner Angstcher P6 and the certificates Angstchers P10 and P11 pertaining to the selected candidates and the certificates of DED Angstchers P12 and P13 pertaining to the candidates who had not been selected and Angstcher R3 certificate Virendra Singh 2015 to 23 14 39 CWP number 12061 of 2012. I attest to the accuracy and integrity of this document. Punjab and Haryana High Court at Chandigarh produced by the state along with the replying pertaining to a select candidate. Learned counsel from the petitioner submitted that there is no difference either in the subjects or the nomenclature of the diploma in any of the certificates. Nothing could be made out as to on what basis a candidate possessing the same certificate can be said to be eligible, whereas the other candidate having similar certificate can be said to be not eligible. Learned counsel for the petitioner further, while referring to a communication of Maharishi Dayanand University Rohtak dated 15/11/2012 Angstcher R4 with reference to the present petition submitted that even the university clarified that question papers for DED Virendra Singh 2015 to 23 14 39 CWP number 12061 of 2012. I attest to the accuracy and integrity of this document. Punjab and Haryana High Court at Chandigarh and DED Urdu students were common in the syllabus. There was a note that Urdu knowing candidates will attempt Part B of Paper 4 in first and second year in Urdu language and Part A in Hindi, but these instructions were not mentioned on the question papers. The candidates were required to go through the syllabus and scheme of the examination while attempting to questions. The answer sheets have been disposed of. Learned counsel for the state produced in court certain certificates of DED showing nomenclature as Diploma in Education. However, he did not dispute the fact that there is no explanation available in the reply or otherwise as to how the candidates having same qualification Virender Singh 2015 to 23/14/39 CWP number 12061 of 2012 I attached to the accuracy and integrity of this document Punjab and Haryana High Court at Chandigarh as is evident from the certificates annexure P6, P10 to P13 and R3 were either made eligible or ineligible when the nomenclature of the diploma and the subject taught were identical. It is further not disputed that there was change in subjects for the course of D.Ed. Urdu from 2011 onward as compared to D.Ed. General.